We just created, oh, sorry, I just created a static website which contains my resume on Amazon S3 buckets. If I go here, let's go to S3, my S3 buckets. Okay, so if I go to properties, you can check how I created a static website on the previous video. The link is up there. So this is the link that was generated for me. So it's not yet a secured website, and I've not transferred it to a domain, but at least I can be able to access it with this generated link by Amazon. So this is my landing page website, my resume. Wow, you can see as a static website. You can see I created this, though I got my template from start bootstrap.com. So I was able to modify and edit it using the HTML platform. So these are my stuff. So the next thing I want to do now is to secure this website and also get a domain name that can be easily accessible worldwide on Amazon. So let's do that quickly. Go to Route 53. So I want to purchase a domain that will be usable with my new created static website. So the first thing I want to do is to register a domain. Let me check if there's one available for the domain. Okay. So I'm checking. So I have wale.oyeniga.com available at $12 per year. So I'll just click continue. First name is Bowale, last name Oyeniga, organization is not applicable. My email address, my phone number, okay. Continue. Okay, so check this. Let's check our email. Let's see whether it is sent. So I'll go to Gmail, my Gmail account. Okay, I have one. So I'm going to click this. I'm going to go back. Okay, let's wait for this to load. Okay. So my email has been verified. Going back to refresh the status. So I've been verified. Complete the order. Close. Close. So go to my domain. So I have a domain wale.com. So hosted zone. Sorry. So I have this already. I need to come to the hosted zone. See this traffic into my notepad. Then you tab the register domain. So I don't after the folder. So that's turn out same.